Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to add Afterpay to Shopify. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Shopify page and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so you're going to hit on this. When you're on your dashboard here, you're going to click on the settings option here. Click on settings option. So when you get to settings option, on your left menu tab here, click on payments, and then click on payments, and under payments scroll down and you'll have an option called add payment method. Simply click on add payment method, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to search for Afterpay. So search for Afterpay and then select Afterpay. Okay, so select Afterpay and then you go to select it, and then you go to activate it. So make sure that your region supports Afterpay in order to do this. So select Afterpay and activate it. So once this is done, so once you click on it and this is done, now go to Google and then type in Afterpay site messaging. So type in Afterpay site messaging and open up the first result here. So from here, on the first result here, you will see this page here, this screen with the developer codes. So what you have to do now is simply scroll down and then go to this code here. So copy and paste this, copy this code. So simply click and copy, just select all and then copy this code. So once you have copied this code, now get back to your Shopify page here, and then what you got to do, you got to go to your online store here. So click on online store and then hit on the themes, like go to the themes page here on your online store. So click on the themes page here, and then here click on the three dots next to customize. So click on it and then hit on select edit code. Click on edit code and then you'll get to this page here where you can customize the developer codes. And then now select this one on your left tab here, select theme.liquid, select that. So select the theme.liquid and then you will see the source code here. So scroll all the way down to the end of the code, and then once you reach the end of the code, now just paste the code that you copied earlier. So once this is done, then hit on save, and that's it. So this will allow Afterpay options on your Shopify. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.